Hey there, Bunchers. My name is Luca, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new feature we have on our platform called Boards and Apps, which is primarily used for collaboration. And so the first thing we do is click on the Boards and Apps icon, and as you can see, there are all these different apps there, from Miro to Google Docs, Sheets, Forms, as well as a Mentimeter and custom links. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a few of them, and one of the coolest ones we have is called Miro, the first one. So the way to use Miro is you have to double click, and once you're logged in, click on New Board. You have the option to name your board and play with all these access settings from anyone can view, comment, or just keep it private. Click on your setting, and now what GoBrunch does is it creates a separate tab within your meeting from your app, which can be used, play around, or just make it full screen if you want to. Now we're within the whiteboard mode where you can play with all these different settings. You can click on a small letter T and type something. Make it bigger or smaller. Change the way it looks. We can create our own stickers that lead to other stickers to prove our point. And we have access to all these different templates which we can use for free on a free account. So as you can see, there are all these options available, hundreds and hundreds of templates to choose from depending on what we like. I'm going to go to popular and perhaps click on this one called Brainwriting. As you can see, the template makes itself available within the whiteboard and we can play around with it, but also every one of the stickers is available for use in real time. So if you have lots of students, this can come quite in handy if you like to see instantly polls or different opinions on your subject matter. And Miro makes this a fun and interactive process for everyone to be able to easily have access to. I'm going to delete this one and let's try with another template. I'm going to choose the mind map. Click use and it shows itself up. A very interesting type of template which can be used to prove your points when discussing a topic. Scrolling through all of these, there are also other types of templates which can be used pre-filled or as a blank template, which means all the features from the template are instantly available to you without much effort. It shows itself up on the screen and there we are. You can move it, change it, zoom in if you'd like. And finally, once you're done, you can also choose to share your board with other people outside of the room, because in GoBrunch, everyone who's part of the meeting can have access to all these apps if you'd like them to. Okay, now going back to the main screen, you can see we can still play around with the Miro tab GoBrunch created for us, stretch it out, extend it, and as easily delete the tab. Okay, going back to our boards and apps, let's try Google Docs, for example. Click on the Google Docs, add your link, and the GoBrunch opens a Google Doc tab for you, which can be seen by everyone that's part of the meeting. You can make it full screen. It's recommendable to add all the members on the board previously if you want to collaborate with them. And as you can see, anyone can edit the Google Docs. We're going to head back to our main room, and I'd like to show you another cool app we have called Google Forms. Once you add your link, you can fill out a survey, and anyone can do that without leaving the window. It's pretty cool. Okay, next one, and probably the coolest app we have here, is called Mentimeter. Mentimeter is a highly intuitive app you can use for polls and voting. Students can vote on a topic, and you can have your results displayed right next to the poll, which means that in real time you can see the voting progress. As well as all the other apps, you can make it full screen, zoom in, zoom out, and have multiple tabs open if you'd like to. I'm going to click here and fill out the poll, and add a new link to see my results displayed real time. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video useful, and please stay tuned for more features coming to GoBrunch in the near future.